Are you tired of spending hours writing emails that no one even reads? Well, what if I told you there's an AI that can handle all of it for you? And I mean everything: writing, scheduling, and even responding to emails, all while making you sound like a pro. So, meet AI Toolname, your new AI-powered email assistant that's about to change the game. Today, I'm going to show you how this tool can automate your emails, save you hours, and boost your productivity like crazy. Let's dive in. So, here's how it works. You start by entering a few key details, like the purpose of the email and who it's for. Let's say I need to send a follow-up email to a potential client. Instead of spending 20 minutes writing it, watch this. Boom! In seconds, I've got a polished, engaging email that sounds like a human wrote it. And the best part? You can tweak the tone, make it more formal, casual, or even humorous. But wait, there's more. This AI can also automate your follow-ups and even reply to emails for you. No more forgetting to follow up with clients or spending hours stuck in email threads. With smart AI replies, you can keep conversations going without lifting a finger. Still skeptical? Check this out. Company names saw a 40% boost in response rates after using this AI tool. An influencer business owner says it saved them over 10 hours a week on emails alone. That's insane. So, if you want to stop wasting time on emails and start focusing on what really matters, try out AI Toolname today. I've even got a special free trial link in the description, so go check it out. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more time-saving tools and comment below. What's your biggest email struggle? Let's talk about it.